Hi guys, today I'll tell you an unusual mask recipe for getting rid of black dots. To prepare the mask you'll need a tablespoon of shaving foam and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix both components. Apply the product to steamed, moist face skin, avoiding the area around the eyes and lips. Leave the mask for 1 minute. Then take a special brush for face or a soft toothbrush and gently massage your skin. Pay special attention to the nose and forehead. Rinse off the rest of the mask with warm water. To maintain the effect of the procedure should be carried out regularly once a week.